welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sasha. If you guys are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving my vanity area a makeover. It's sitting right behind me and it's what you guys see all the time in my YouTube videos. I got some new pieces in that I'm going to be setting up. I'm going to be hanging things on the wall, and I'm also going to be organizing a bunch of my makeup. So I thought it would be cool to just show you guys how I organize my makeup, and I'm gonna do a little cleaning too. Before I start moving things around and organizing, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my current vanity setup just so you have an idea of what's going on, and also talk to you guys a little bit about my vision for what I'm gonna be doing next. Alright guys, this is my current vanity setup, and I'm just gonna go over everything and kind of talk about where everything is from because I know you guys might be wondering. So starting with the desk, this desk is from Cost Plus World Market. Unfortunately, it is discontinued now, but there are a lot of similar desks which I will link in the description box, so make sure to check that. And the chair is from Amazon. It's actually a dining chair, and it's just so perfect to me for a desk, but I believe it's still available, and I love it because it's velvet, so it's just really nice material, and for the price it was a really good find. And I just love the way it looks with the desk, so I'll give you guys another view here. And this is pretty much where I film. I'm sure you guys have seen this background so many times in my video, and honestly I'm just ready to change it up and just do something different. Okay, so now let's move on to everything that's on the desk. So starting with my makeup brushes, I just have everything in this flower vase, which I don't really love the look, but it's so easy to find my brushes and just really convenient. All right, moving on to the mirror. This is my absolute favorite mirror, and I apologize, you guys. Look how dirty and disgusting my mirror is. I haven't cleaned it in God knows how long, but today's video is a cleaning video, so we will get to this. This is the Ricky Loves Ricky, wait, is that what it's called? Ricky Loves Ricky mirror, and this is the smaller travel size. So this is an LED mirror, and it's really bright, and when I'm doing my makeup, I can really see everything, and it's just amazing. So I highly recommend it, and it's also the perfect size. This is also a great mirror for travel. I take it all the time with me when I travel. Okay, moving on to the shelf. I get a million questions about the shelf. I found this 3-tier shelf at Marshall's, so unfortunately it is one of those rare finds, but I did a deep search on the internet and I actually found it on Wayfair. It is like double the price on there. I'm not sure why they would do that, but it is. But I'm also going to include some other options for you guys because you can find a shelf really similar to this on Urban Outfitters, CB2. There are tons of other companies that make this style shelf. So this is meant to be hung on a wall, but for the longest time I liked the way it looked on my desk, so it's been sitting here for a minute, but today I'm actually going to be hanging it on this wall right here that you see. And we'll talk a little bit about that, but as you guys can see, there is a place to hang it. As far as the organization part of this, I was really inspired to just kind of color coordinate everything. I know people color coordinate their closets, and I was thinking, why not color coordinate your skincare? So moving on to this little area here, these are all my everyday complexion products. So we have primers, foundations, we also have some palettes, so just really easy for me to grab when I need to get ready really quickly. This tray is from CB2, I believe, or West Elm, one of them, I'm not sure, but I will link it in the description box. And then over here we have a drawer, which is a little bit of a mess right now. I do have these acrylic containers which are from Amazon, and I will link them below as well. I pulled some pieces out so you guys can see what the acrylic trays look like, but they all come in a set. I believe it's like a 6 or 8 piece set, but they all come together. It's really inexpensive. This is what I like to call my junk drawer. I just kind of have a bunch of things in here, from lash curlers to I don't know. I honestly don't even know. But we are going to reorganize all this and hopefully make everything make sense. Alright, so that's my little vanity tour. Now you guys kind of have an idea of what I'm working with. So now I want to talk about the changes that I'm going to be making and just kind of walk you through my vision. Okay, so the biggest change I'm going to be making is adding in this Ricky Tall full-size lighted vanity mirror. This is from Glamcore. That's the company that makes it, and they make the Ricky Tall as well as the smaller version, which I love. So this is going to go right here in the center, and then this is going to be hung on the shelf, which I think will look good right here. Eventually, I want to get white shelves, like 3 white shelves, but for now I just want to work with what I have already. This is going to go away. I'm probably just going to keep this for travel, or if I want to do my makeup somewhere else in the house. This is going to stay, and I'm not sure if that's going to stay, but I do want to put like a nice flower vase and some fresh flowers. And I also want to add a few other things to my desk. So we have another tray here. I believe this is from CB2. I don't know what I'm going to be putting on it yet, but I just really like the way it looks, and I'll figure something out to put on there. Okay, here it is. I freaking love it. I think it just fills up the space a lot better because my ceilings are a little bit high. Now I just have to figure out how high I want to put the shelf. So I don't know if I should put it like right next to me or if I should put it up a little bit higher. So I'm going to take a photo on my iPhone to see where it looks good, but I'll give you guys a little preview and also myself a preview because I'm doing this for the first time, so I don't know. Does it look good here? Here? Babe, can I get your opinion? No, you have to come here. I'm holding something. He's really just leaving me hanging here. Okay, I'm gonna put this down until he comes back. Or does it look good here? I don't know. I really don't know. Do you think I should put it this low so that it's...
You should put it low.
Low, not high?
I don't think you should put it high.
Okay. Does it look good with this? Or do you think it doesn't look that good? So this used to be here. I think it's too bulky. Do you think it's too bulky?
No, I just don't think it's the same vibe. You should do all white.
That's what I was thinking. Okay, so I don't think the shelves are gonna work here. I think it's just too bulky, and you guys probably don't see it, but it does stick out quite a bit. So yeah, I think it just kind of doesn't go with the vibe. Like this desk and the mirror is very clean and minimal, and this is just kind of like bulky and sticking out. So what I'm thinking is getting some floating shelves that don't stick out too much, and I'm thinking of like acrylic shelves, you know, so that way it just looks like it's kind of floating and it doesn't take up too much space. I did find something on Amazon, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm thinking. Okay, so this is what I had in mind. So I'm going to order these right now, and as soon as they come in, I'll go ahead and record the second part of this video. Alright guys, so I got the shelves in, and this is how they look. It comes with 4 of them, and I put it up right next to this wall, and I don't know, I just realized that I don't really love the way it looks because it just sticks out a little bit too much. And basically when I'm filming my YouTube videos, you would see this on the side, like kind of next to my face, and I don't know if I want all those products in the frame. So yeah, I'm having second thoughts about this, and I don't really want to drill holes on this wall. So originally what I thought was these shelves were going to replace this shelf, which originally was on my desk, but now I have this mirror, so I had to figure out what to do with this. So for now, I'm just going to put the shelf on top of this side table. I don't love the way this looks. It's just too much gold, but I need something temporarily to put this on. And I just like the idea of having my skincare products next to me, really easy access. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. I also took everything out of the shelves because I'm going to be reorganizing everything back. I'm taking some products out that I'm no longer using, and I also got some new products in, so I'll be adding some new products to test. right, shelf is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and organize the rest of my vanity and we'll go from there. Alright, so it's coming along. This is what we have going on so far. And I'm going to give a full tour at the end, just describing everything. But for now, we still need to tackle this area here. So this is my drawer where I keep all my other personal makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and organize this. I'm going to be taking out a lot of makeup that I don't use and just bringing in new makeup that I want to try. Alright guys, all done. Now I can give you an official vanity tour now that everything is all done. So starting with the vanity, the biggest thing that I switched out was the shelf here, which was previously in the middle. Replaced it with this Ricky Loves Ricky tall mirror. I'll have this linked in the description, but this thing is amazing. I'll show you a few little features that it comes with. So this is a remote control which just turns it on, and the lighting is amazing. You can actually adjust it and make it brighter, super bright, and you can make it lower, but it's really cool, and it just gives me so much more lighting in this room. As far as everything else, I'm going to go through everything that I have on my vanity. So starting with this right here, we have all of my complexion products, so foundations, primers, some concealers, and I have it all sitting on this CB2 tray, which I don't think is available anymore, but CB2 has really great trays, so I would check them out. I also added in these two candles back here. I just wanted to kind of match the height of this mirror since it's so tall, so I feel like this just really complements it well. And then over here we have some beauty blenders, which I have in a repurposed diptyque candle. And then over here we have this white, or not white, but this acrylic tray, which a lot of people ask me where this is from. It's actually part of the mirror, and it's what helps keep the mirror up. So yeah, it comes with this, which is really nice, and I decided to just display all of my products that I'm currently using / testing. That way it's just easier for me to grab. And then over here we have a few of my beauty tools. So we have the New Face Trinity, we have the Vanity Planet facial steamer. I also have this little dried arrangement back here, and I have everything sitting on this CB2 tray as well. I feel like trays just really keep things looking organized, so I love having trays. And then over here, I wanted to talk about this because it's so much more organized than when I had it earlier. So I have everything now in its place, and I really got rid of a lot of stuff. So these things are products I just use every single day, my personal products. So here we have like eyeshadow palettes, bronzers, we have a setting powder, we have my eyeliners, mascara, concealer, lip gloss. Here we have a few little tools like eyelash curlers, tweezers, things like that, eyelash glue. We have some sharpeners, pencil sharpeners. We have a few little brow products. And then here we have like Glossier cloud paints, lip balms and things like that. And then we also have lip liners here. I have a little photo of my hubby, and then the rest here, I just wanted to fill up this space, so I kind of just filled it up with palettes that I use every day as well. So we have like eyeshadow palettes, bronzers, things like that. But I feel so much better with everything that's here because these are products that I truly use on the daily. And then moving on to this little area here, I couldn't get rid of this shelf. I really tried to, and tried to put those clear shelves here, but as you guys know, that just didn't work out for me. So I'm glad to keep this. I just want to find a different stand for this, possibly something that might have like storage underneath, so it's a little bit more useful. But I wanted to talk a little bit about how I arranged everything. So I still kept everything color coordinated. So up here we have like black, silver, and down here we have pink, and then it goes to orange, green, and then down here I introduced a new little color on the shelf which I didn't have before, but I realized I had a bunch of blue products. So we have a blue little section now, which is really exciting. And then here we have just white products. So yeah, still really loving this. I feel like it just looks aesthetically pleasing. And then over here we have this CB2 cabinet, which I've had forever. I've actually had it for a few years now, and I love it. I keep a lot of extra stuff in here, and this is in no way organized at all, but I have like some hair care products here. I have more stuff down there. It's really a mess, but I love this cabinet. Originally it was in my bathroom, but there's no space for it, so it's just here for now. And then up here I have a few items that I didn't want to keep on top of my vanity. I just feel like it looked a little too cluttered, so for now we're going to keep it all up here. But these are my makeup brushes, and this is the smaller Ricky Loves Ricky mirror. When I get ready, I actually bring these two to my desk because I like having a mirror that's close to me, and then of course my brushes. So I eventually bring everything here, and this never really stays clean. So yeah, this is the vanity area. I hope you guys enjoyed that little vanity transformation. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this vanity makeover. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos, like cleaning, organizing type of videos, because I'd love to do more of that. There's another section here of my beauty room which I haven't showed you guys because it's a huge mess, but it's basically my makeup collection, and I have two shelves up here, and I have this idea of kind of transforming it using the Home Edits organization system, like the clear bins that they use, and I'd love to do a video on that. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing what that transformation is going to be like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check the description box if you guys are interested in just wanting to know where all the items are from. I'm going to have everything linked in the box, so make sure to check that. And again, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!